to Icy Arts and Crafts. For today's video, we will be making a happy birthday card out of flowers. So, I decided to make this because we still have a little bit of time before my grandmother's birthday, and I want to make a card to go with the abstract card I made for her. So let's begin. The things you will need are some flowers that you can find in your garden probably. I'm using lavender and a butterfly plant flower. Extacto knife that you can have an adult do for you, or you can just use scissors. But I find Extacto knife to have a smoother cutting. And you'll need a ruler, a pencil, scissors, colored construction paper, markers, and this stuff that you can find at the dollar store. Right. It's self-adhesive laminate that you'll need. Now, let us begin. First thing you're going to do is fold it in half. And I kind of already did it, and then just folded it. So the second thing you're going to do is take your self-adhesive laminate and cut it as big as the front of your card. And then peel this sticky part off. All right. So here is the sticky part. So then you're going to take your flowers and then put them in the order that you want them to be. But make sure it's not all around it, because you're only going to see a little bit of it when it's done. I didn't use the butterfly plant one, but that's okay. You can use as many flowers as you would like. You can even use only one. Then you're going to take the other piece that you cut. I forgot to mention, you need to cut 2 pieces and then stick it right on top. Like this. Alright, mine was a little uneven, but that's okay. So the next thing that you're going to do is take your second piece and then fold it in half to match the other piece. And then you're going to use the extacto knife to cut in your frame. Nearly done. There we go. So I got an adult to cut it for me, and it's 6 by 3.5 inches. So the next thing you're going to do is take your flowers and then put them underneath your frame, right? So it's a bit big, so I'm going to trim the edges around it to make it fit. Now you're going to hot glue it onto it, but I forgot to mention that you need a hot glue gun at the beginning. So I'm just saying you'll need it. So the next thing you're going to do is hot glue the paper around the plastic. So you can stick the frame on top. And don't do it on the plastic because it could melt. The hot glue could melt the plastic. Okay? So now you're going to stick the frame on top. This is a bit hot. And there. And then you got your card, and then you can decorate it however you want. So this is how it turned out, and you can decorate it however you want in the inside and outside. And so I hope you enjoyed this video, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any other ideas what we can do next.